AEW Collision uko imikino yagenze. AEW Collision quick recap on the result. AEW event was held in Edmonton, Alberta. The Dogs, Clark Connors, Gabe Kidd, and David Finlay defeated Místico and JetSet Rodeo, Kevin Knight, and Mike Bailey to become the new AEW World Trios Champions. This final stop before the Dynasty pay-per-view also saw Kazuchika Okada successfully defend his international title. Single match, Rush defeated Anthony Bowens to earn the number 2 spot in the Casino Gauntlet. Tag team match, Kris Statlander and Hikaru Shida defeated Gigi Rey and Ava Lawless. Tag team match, The Hart Syndicate defeated Andy Anderson and Jabari. Tag team match, The Young Bucks defeated the Don Callis family, Clon and Hashiro. AEW Intercontinental title, Kazuchika Okada defeated Myron Reed to retain the championship. Main event tag match, the Bowling Birds, Jamie Hayter and Alex Windsor defeated Marina Shafir and Tekla. Open challenge, Willow issued an open challenge to anyone returning from injury or absence, labeling herself to the comeback killer. Women's division, the Bowling Birds gained major momentum heading into Dynasty, where Jamie Hayter is set to challenge Tekla for the AEW Women's World Championship. Casino Gauntlet, Rush secured the number 2 entry spot for the vacant TNT Championship Casino Gauntlet match, joining Tommaso Ciampa. AEW World Trio Championship, the Dogs defeated Místico and JetSet Rodeo to win the title. Uko niko imikino yagenze. AEW Trio Championship, the Dogs batsinze Místico afatanyije na JetSet. Single match, Rush atsinda Anthony Bowens bityo abona umwana wa kabiri muri Casino Gauntlet. Tag team match, Kris Statlander ndetse na Hikaru Shida batsinze Gigi Rey afatanyije na Ava Lawless. Tag team match, The Hart Syndicate batsinda Andy Anderson afatanyije na Jabari. Tag team match, The Young Bucks batsinda Don Callis family aribo Clon ndetse na Hashiro. AEW Intercontinental title, Kazuchika Okada atsinda Myron Reed bityo agumana uwo mukandara. Main event tag team, The Bowling Birds, Jamie Hayter na Alex Windsor batsinze Marina Shafir ndetse na Tekla. Willow successfully defended her TBS championship against Queen Aminata in hard-fought match. The event was held in Edmonton, Alberta. Thank you for your time. Don't forget to like and subscribe. If you have any suggestion, recommendation, write a comment. Thank you. Have a nice day. Iyi mikino ikaba yaberaga muri Edmonton muri Alberta, Leta Zunze Ubumwe za Amerika. Wakoze kubana nanjye, igitekerezo cyangwa inyunganizi wanyandikira muri comment. Nibagiwe kandi subscribe, urakoze, igihe byiza.